Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for beginners. To start your English journey, focus on building a strong foundation. Begin by learning essential vocabulary and everyday phrases. Pay close attention to pronunciation right from the start, as this will help you communicate clearly. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to listening to simple English conversations, like those found in beginner podcasts or videos. This consistent practice will significantly boost your understanding and confidence. To truly engage with English, immerse yourself in the language every day. Try to spend at least 30 minutes reading simple English texts, such as children's books or news articles for learners. Don't be afraid to speak English aloud, even if you're just talking to yourself. This builds fluency. Utilize flashcards for effective vocabulary retention, aiming to learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Consistent interaction is key to making steady progress. Understanding English grammar is crucial for forming correct sentences. Start by learning fundamental grammar rules gradually, focusing on one concept at a time. Practice constructing simple sentences using basic subject-verb-object patterns. Identify and understand the most common verb tenses, such as present, past, and future simple, and how they are used. Dedicate 20 minutes 3 times a week to grammar exercises to solidify your knowledge and improve accuracy. To sustain your English learning, consistency is paramount. Find a language exchange partner to practice speaking for at least 30 minutes weekly. Set achievable daily learning goals, like mastering 3 new phrases or understanding a short article. Regularly review previously learned material to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Remember, consistent effort over several months will yield significant improvements in your English proficiency. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.